Hi guys, today we talk about Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. It's launched on September 2024. The dimensions of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus: height 6.4 inch, width 3.1 inch, and thickness 8.3 mm. The weight of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus, it's come with 227 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Mate 70 Pro Plus, it's come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 88.5% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1280 by 2800 pixel, mean 1.5K, and the PPH density is 440. The refresh rate of Mate 70 Pro Plus 120 Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is Huawei Kunlun Glass 3. Let's talk about the platform of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus. It's come with Harmony OS 5.0 with Kirin 10003nm chipset, and the CPU is octa-core Titan Big. The GPU is Melon 930, and the memory of Mate 70 Pro Plus, it comes with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. Let's go to the camera setup. It comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The selfie camera is 13 megapixel with TOF 3D biometric sensor, and it's also record 4K 60 fps video. The battery backup of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is 5200 mAh battery with 100 watt fast wireless charging, and it supports 80 watt wireless charging and 20 watt wireless reverse wireless charging. The commons and the features: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Face ID unlocking, USB Type-C, infrared port, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.1, and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of Huawei Mate 70 Pro Plus is not available at this time.